In this video, we'll use royal icing transfers to decorate jack-o'-lantern cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So grab your favorite pumpkin cookie cutter and let's decorate it real quickly. And then we'll use royal icing transfers that we prepared in another video to give our pumpkin some personality. So I started by outlining and flooding in the stem with my royal icing. That's about a 15-second consistency, and I'm using a black color because that's the color that comes in my DIY cookie decorating kit. Then I'll use my scribe, or you can use a toothpick to settle that icing down. Then I'm going to set this cookie aside to dry for about 15 minutes until the stem has a chance to crust over before I come back in with my orange icing and outline and flood this in. And because I'm using a 15-second icing, I can go right up to the edge with my flood icing and not worry that it's going to overflow. And I'm just going to flood this in, and then I'll use my scribe to settle it down. And once it's smooth, I'm going to set it aside to dry completely. While I waited for my pumpkin cookie to dry, I printed out these royal icing transfer sheets. You can get them on my website. And I piped over the top of them with some black royal icing. And now I can just play with my cookie and try to decide what kind of face I want to put on my jack-o'-lantern. So should I go with traditional or silly or spooky, mad, happy? It's up to you. You can decide. Just put a little bit of royal icing on the back of your transfer and attach it to your pumpkin. Royal icing transfers are super easy to make. You just put them inside of a sheet protector or under some parchment paper, pipe over the top, and then let them dry. And then you could use them to decorate your jack-o'-lantern any way you want to. And it makes a fun addition to a DIY cookie decorating kit just for Halloween. So I went with a silly face. What kind of face would you give your jack-o'-lantern? Let me know in the comments. If 31 people comment, I'll put these transfer sheets up on my website for free. And this is the DIY Halloween kit I'm making. If you want to make your own, I'll leave a link to a video that will show you how I made mine in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Halloween!